Hey, so in this video, I'm going to cover how to just create section view drawings. Pretty simple process, be a quick video. So I'm using this pipe strap lab. I got the ISO exploded view in here. I got the BOM table. I want to put um, and there'll be another video here to explain how to put in the other views for the different parts. But this specific video, I just want to talk about putting a section view in. Real simple. All we're going to do is we're going to need to create one view, and then we'll create a second view that's going to be a section view. Okay, so we're going to need to go put the first view in. What we're going to do, we're going to use the right view of this figure. Um, so we're going to insert a view. It's going to be of the pipe strap. It's going to be the right view. 3 to 1 is fine. And so what we're going to do for this right view, we'll put it right here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so then what we're going to want to do, I want to do another projected view. We're going to use this section view up here. Okay. We're going to select the point in which this section view sits. So we're going to that intersection there, down to here, and then we can once you have those the cutting lines there, then we can come over here to drop in the view. We'll click and let it think. There it is. I'm going to delete this section view A. You can leave it there, but we get the idea. I'm going to delete that note. But there you go. There's your section view based on the view here and put in the cutting lines. Real simple. So you put in the view first. Again, we're in review. Insert view. You pick the view. I pick the right view of this assembly. I put it in here, and then I use the section view button here, and I drew in the cutting line on this right view, and then it creates the section view, which is now placed over here to the left of this right view. And that's it. That's how we create section views for our large format drawings that we're going to be using for our labs.